Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's travel videos, and we're gonna go see. I can't even come close to pronouncing it. It is just a horrendous word, and she tried to pronounce it for me 3 or 4 times, and there ain't no way that's happening. But it's a clock, and it's a big blue one, and it's been around for a long time. Let's go take a peek. And that's it right down there, and it's like, man, I don't even know how to start to tell you what it looks like. Sud Express lingerie, I guess. Those don't look like suds, but okay. So the name of this place is really Gros. I'm going to pronounce it the way I see it. Gros-Horloge. Excuse me. How do you say that? Gros-Horloge? Gros.
This is
Yes.
Yeah.
How do you say?
Gros-Horloge.
Gros-Horloge.
Horloge.
Horloge.
Yes.
Gros-Horloge. Okay, thank you. Merci beaucoup. Gros-Horloge. Okay, that's where we're headed. Gros-Horloge. Okay, in 5 minutes it's going to be the clock again, but just bear with me. And again, more beautiful buildings, more amazing fronts, more everything. Gros-Horloge. How you doing? They didn't even try to talk to you. That's funny, actually. He's an American. Skip that. Are the French rude? Or they just don't have patience for all the people coming to their country. You know, and after the first 10 million visitors, you know, I guess you get it, don't you? How you doing? Gros-Horloge. How am I doing? Have I butchered it yet? Oh, and it's going to ring for us. All right. What time is it? 10 o'clock. Very cool. It's very pretty. All right, I need to get some water because this is like puddle picture. You see that black spot right there? That would be more than ideal for the best photo in the world. And there's some water there, but that ain't enough. Oi, look down that road. What is, that's like some kind of palace or something, but, oh, here we go. Now you can see it. How do you say this word? Gros-Horloge. Horloge. Here we go. The Gros-Horloge, the blue clock, astronomical clock, originally a masculine or neutral word, stands in the middle of the busiest shopping street in Rouen. The story of the local liberties, around 1170, the Duke of Normandy grants the city the right to self-govern itself. The belfry, the tower, the sun, okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'll let you guys read this. You don't need me reading all this stuff to you. 2 bells. The horloge was completed. The bell, the blue clock. Now we're not talking about a bell. The blue clock was finished in 1529. Renaissance pavilion forms an arch and spans over the street. And okay, the depiction of the sheep all represents the textiles in the past. The fountain back in 1732. Okay, well, there you go. Did you get all that? Huh. Good morning. The astronomical clock with these wonderful buildings. Is this place open? If it's open, I'm getting water, family. Open. Oh, okay, I'll be back. I'll go inside and get water. Wow. And it's an astronomical clock because I guess it has you see how the round ball, like right where my finger is by that window, and maybe that's what it rotates or something, because it looks like it's the sun or the moon, or I don't have any idea. And they said something about a sheep or something, but and you can go in this door and go up and around, I think, and go inside of that room too. I guess we'll go see what that looks like. Amazing, look at that. Oh, these are the sheep, okay. I gotcha. Very cool. much it is. It doesn't say there. How much is it? $7.20? Very nice. I guess I'll go there. Look at that. Just amazing buildings. Wow, look at this place too. Oh, it's like a church and then a wooden building on top. It kind of looks like it's just kind of hanging on there, huh? Does that look like it's just kind of hanging on there? It looks like it sticks out a little further to me. And this side looks a little goofy too, so I don't know. Huh. And here's the back side of the clock. Very, 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 very cool. And that picture right there with the church behind it is pretty amazing. Kind of in the fog and the rain. Thank you, thank you. Merci beaucoup. Beaucoup. Very nice. All right. Well, let's see if we can get inside, shall we? Okay. Bye-bye. Be right back. This is what it looks like inside. Thank you. Merci. Merci beaucoup.
Vous avez une signature.
I need a sign. I gotcha.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Attendez, je vais vous donner un audio gate.
Okay. Okay.
Attendez, monsieur.
Thank you. Oh,
Un ticket.
oh, a ticket. I
Oui,
see.
un audio gate.
No, no. Thank you. Grazie. Okay, so the little staircase is crazy. Like we're talking tiny, tiny, tiny little staircase. So like, does this give you an idea? Even if you go to the... Wow, okay. It is, and the doors are tiny, ooh, tiny too. Okay. Wow. Oh, and these are parts of the clock itself. So the clock is out there. And these are like sculptures or paintings on top of it. So if you can read that, you'll know.
Excuse me.
Oh. Can you get by? Oh. Here's how small the doors are. And there's his. All right, let me show you these. And this one, I might as well show them all to you, huh? If you can read them. Somebody in a chariot. Another person in a chariot. Boy, they like their chariots. That one's a Datsun, and I think that's a Lexus. Okay, moving on, Eric. So literally, I am like crawling through these holes. And here's the room. So this is the back of the clock. And it's wood, huh? Yeah, it's all wood. Can you even see this? I'm sorry it's so dark. You can see this side a little better. Huh. Oh, here's when they made it back then. That's my head. Sorry. 1936. Okay. Okay. Well, that's the cathedral. And there's the clock. Oh, they must have just built it back then, huh? Okay, well, I'm moving on. If Do you notice the walls in here? Well, on this side you can see it. You see how they're all the blue and wood and white timber? Huh. Okay. And the gears, they all go up to the ceiling. So that little gear gets turned and it turns that gear, which turns that big wheel, which turns that gear, which turns the clock. Crazy. And now, what's what? I came up this way. What's in here? Oh, more literature. I'm going to do this quick, everybody, so you guys can, if you can even read that. But I know I got a lot of people that like to read these things, so pause as you need to, I should tell you. Pause. And you can pause there too. And here's all this, but let's get is there an American side? And there's not a thing of it in American, okay. English, sorry. Okay, moving on. More little stairs. Oh, don't tell me they're coming down this. Whew. Fountain de la Pucible. That's really amazing. Horses, though, isn't it? Huh. Very cool. I think that's not the right way. I think. Okay. I guess that is the right way. And none of this is in English, is it? Nope. I can try it in French. Here's the way I would do this. You ready for a joke? Here you go. La Rue du Gros-Horloge est un accès mur dans la via d'Espua, la queca medeville. Cette voie de cathedral gesto la porta questa au massacre. Yeah. And that's not even close. And more tiny stairs. And sticky handrail, which Eric ain't touching. And there's even more stairs. And here's the gear work. Wow. And that must be that wheel turning, huh? Can I change the time? Eric, don't you do it. Okay, I'll move on. Jeez, the clock set it half hour behind. Everybody's going to be late. Eric, you're so mischievous. Oh my God, okay. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Wow. Maybe this is how you get to the best views of the city, huh? Oh, it's still going up too, everybody. Okay. 2022, 2023, 2024, I guess they changed those out, huh? I guess I'll go in and look. Wow. All right. Be careful, the bell rings powerfully. I bet it does. Oh my God. I didn't realize. Watch your head. Oh my gosh, okay. And more clock. And the outside. Look at this door. I don't even fit in this door. Wow, okay. And it's raining pretty good. Hoping the cathedral's behind us. This is that square building I saw from the street. That's pretty cool. And there's that other church. And that was probably the cathedral at first until they built that one. And that one's a big crazy thing. We just did that one. Hooah. It smells like onions and sausage or something cooking. Huh. Okay. Now Daddy's hungry too. All right. And there's another tower. Okay, everybody. Weak. Exit down, okay. I still got that lighter on my shoe. And the flint and steel. Coming down.
Okay.
I'll get out of your way. Where's the, is it this way still, right? Yeah. Thank you. Are you sick yet? Oh my God. All right, here comes that onions and let's see, is there an exit this way? I think I still go down, don't I? Yep, still says go down. Chimney slickets. And there's still an arrow going down. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, still down? I think it still goes down, so. I guess I crossed over somewhere. Voila. Oh my gosh. Sorte, exit. I think that's it, everybody. Let me get through this door and I'll tell you. How you doing? What?
Just the guide.
I don't have a guide.
You don't have a guide?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you. Muito bouquet. Yeah. Bye bye. Okay. Pause if you need to read that. And I think that's it, everybody. Okay. Have a great day. Bye bye.